If you've ever tried fixing something in a dark corner, reading tiny text at night, or working with both hands while holding a flashlight, then you know how frustrating that can be. That's exactly where the Handi Beam glasses come in. These unique LED glasses are designed to give you hands-free lighting exactly where you're looking, making tasks like repairs, camping, reading, and DIY projects a lot easier. Instead of balancing a flashlight or wearing a bulky headlamp, the lights are built directly into the frame, pointing straight ahead to illuminate your workspace. According to the product page, the glasses feature powerful COB and XTE LED lights with adjustable brightness, giving you focused illumination in low-light conditions. They're rechargeable through USB-C, take about 1 hour to fully charge, and can last around 4 hours depending on brightness settings, which is plenty of time for most small tasks. What makes these glasses interesting is their practical design. They're built to be lightweight, with adjustable arms and a universal fit, so they can work for most head sizes. Another helpful feature is that they're designed to fit over prescription glasses, meaning you don't have to sacrifice clear vision just to use the built-in lights. The idea is simple but useful. Wherever you look, the beam follows, so you can focus on the job without constantly adjusting your light source. Whether you're fixing plumbing under a sink, reading instructions in a dim garage, or setting up gear while camping, the hands-free lighting can make a noticeable difference. That said, since the brand appears relatively new online, some reviewers suggest being cautious and checking return policies before purchasing, as independent customer reviews are still limited. So, are the Handi Beam glasses actually worth it? The concept itself is definitely useful. Hands-free lighting built right into eyewear is something many DIYers, mechanics, and outdoor enthusiasts could appreciate. If the lights are bright and the fit is comfortable, they could be a simple tool that saves time and frustration when working in dark spaces. But like with any trending gadget, it's smart to look for real customer feedback and buy from a reliable source. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description if you want to learn more about the Handi Beam glasses. And if you've already tried them yourself, drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear if they actually live up to the hype.